Hi friends, today we're going to draw minions. We will begin our step-by-step tutorial momentarily. Get your pen and paper ready. Let's get started.
First, let's draw 2 circles as its glasses or eyes. Now the second circle will be a little bit bigger than the first one. Next, add pupils to its eyes.
Fun fact about Minions is that their language, called Mignonese, is a playful mix of various languages including English, Spanish, French, Italian, Japanese, and even gibberish. This quirky blend makes their speech sound amusing and universally funny, adding to their charm across different cultures.
Alright, now let's going to draw the frame of its goggles.
Minions' glasses are distinctive because they are actually goggles with thick, round frames. These goggles are an integral part of their design and contribute to their playful and unique appearance. The goggles come in 2 main variations. Some Minions have one large goggle for their single eye, while others have a pair for their 2 eyes.
Next, draw a curve as its head. Add a few hairs.
There are over 10,400 different Minions designed for the Despicable Me series. Each one is unique, with variations in height, build, hair, eyes, and accessories, showcasing the creative effort put into making each Minion distinct while maintaining their iconic look.
Next, we're going to draw a big smile on its face. Add for teeth and a tongue. Well done! Now next, we're going to draw its overalls.
Fun fact about overalls is that they were originally designed as durable workwear for farmers and laborers in the late 19th century. They became popular due to their practicality and toughness, often made from denim or sturdy cotton.
Next, let's add pockets to its overalls. Next, we're going to add 2 arms and hands. Next, we're going to move on to its legs and feet.
Great! Now let's color him in. You can use any color you like. Yay! We've done drawing our Minion. We hope you enjoyed drawing with us. See you next time. Bye!